Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to insert dual SIM cards in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's start with opening this SIM slot, which is placed right here on the bottom of the phone. And for this we are gonna need this little ejector, which goes in a complete with this device, but you can use any other one, or you can even use a needle, but be careful so you don't damage this slot. So just insert it in this little hole and carefully press. And now we just need to take it out like this. Now let's just take a look at this SIM slot, and as you can see, here is the SIM 1. So we just need to place our first SIM card right here in this slot. And now let's turn it over and do the same for the second one. So I'm gonna put it right here. And now we just need to insert it in the phone again. Just like this. Great. And now let's unlock the phone. And as you can see, we need to enter the SIM card pin. I'm gonna do it for the first card. And you will also need to do it for the second one if you have this PIN code, but I don't, so let's move on to the next step. And once the SIM cards are inserted, you should see network indicators on the top of the screen. And if done correctly, you'll see signal bars for both SIM cards. You may see notifications of new messages, and if you don't see the interface for the SIM management, just go to the settings. Right here, choose connections, and now select SIM manager. And here I can find both of my SIM cards. I can also set up preferred SIMs for the calls. For example, the first one, I can do the same for messages and for mobile data. Just like this. You can always change it right here in the settings. And also don't forget that your Galaxy S24 Ultra supports eSIM. You can activate an eSIM instead of one of the physical SIM cards. And remember that only 2 SIM cards, including the eSIM, can be active at the same time. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.